Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I would love to be YouTube's next millionaire, but I don't want to make any videos? Well, last time we hit you with a how to make $100 per day on YouTube without making videos, it did almost 1.5 million views in just over 4 months. Well, this time we are back with a brand new twist on how to make $100 per day on YouTube from anywhere in the world without making videos. Stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome to the family, and if you watch every single video religiously like a bum on loose change, then welcome back. And if you are new here, don't be weird about it. Tap the little subscribe button right now if you like making money and being happier, because that's what this channel is about. Because in this video, we are gonna talk about the #1 way to make money on earth, which is what you're watching right now, YouTube. But the problem is, it's awkward sitting in front of a camera. You know, I got my videographers constantly staring at me and judging me, and I have to deal with people constantly leaving comments like, "This is totally clickbait. Kevin, were you crying? You look sad. You have great energy and content, but you're jumping around like a meth addict." And so what is the solution? How do we take advantage of the most powerful social media platform on earth without having to make any videos ourselves, without having to go and find some videographers, and without having to deal with the keyboard warriors? Well, in this video, we are going to answer exactly that. How to make $100 or more per day, even if you can't get monetized by YouTube. And I know that sounds hard to believe, but I'm gonna prove it to you. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome into my computer. So what we're looking at right here is actually a newest channel called The Rankings. And if you actually come down and look, they only have a few videos, but if we actually go to their videos right here, and then we sort by most popular, what we're gonna see is they actually launched a video, 3 months ago that has 17 million views in just 3 months, right? And we already talked about before between $1,000 and $5,000 per million views. And so let's just assume that they're making $2,000 per million views, which is very, very likely that they are. So if they're making $2,000 per million views, right, that means that they're making 17 times $2,000 for this particular video, which means this one video alone made them $34,000, just this one video. But you can see that they have others, 8.1 million, 7.3 million, and these are all within the last 3 months, 4 months, 3 months, 3 months, right? And they're not, if you watch these videos, it's not like they're in the videos, they're not making vlogs, they're not holding a camera, they don't even talk in the video themselves. There's literally just music, and it's showing the top 15 most subscribed to YouTube channels with the different numbers of subscribers, you can see right here, and then the name of the channel, right? And it actually breaks it all the way back from 2011 to 2018. So just things that a lot of YouTubers are interested in. So if you actually kind of bring yourself into the mode of thinking, what is the main demographic on YouTube? What are people interested on YouTube? And then making creative content in that particular sense, you can create content without ever having to film yourself, right? But if you're thinking to yourself, Kevin, okay, that sounds good, but how do I actually make the content? Where do I get the content? Well, we're gonna talk about that in a second, but I want to show you a couple more examples of just how this actually works. So here's another example. If we actually type in just the words top 10, and what we can do is we can press space here, and we see that there's suggestions like scary, gaming, best, list, anime, songs of the week, school fight scenes, anime betrayals, top 10 WWE, right? And so if we literally just type in top 10 here, we can see that there's a channel right here with 5.5 million subscribers, right? 2,688 videos, which is insane. We can see that this an hour ago, it has 9,000 views, 21 hours ago, it has 34,000 views, 1 day ago has 55,000 views. We can see most amazing top 10, right? All these different channels that are kind of doing the same thing. So if we look at, another one of these channels right here and actually look at their videos and then sort by most popular, we can get ideas about what has already worked, right? There's no reason to reinvent the wheel, go out and try to make some content that, you think might be popular. Just look at what is already working. You can see this 10 months ago has 31 million views. Even if they're only making $1,000 per million views, which I'm almost positive they're not, they're probably making somewhere closer to 2,000. That means that they either made $31,000 for this video or $62,000, right? Just from one YouTube video, and that's in less than a year, right? That's more than most people in the USA make as a salary, and that's just this one video, right? And this is a great example of a video that went viral, but it's possible for anyone. It's possible for you. And if you look at this video, right, they are not in the video themselves. They don't record themselves. There's no voiceover of them. All they've done is just collect different interesting clips and then make a highlight reel essentially of those clips. And then, they just put together a really interesting thumbnail. You can see this guy has like a really emotional face, 212 years with like an arrow. It's a really well done thumbnail. And so you can take ideas and examples from these channels and you can actually create a similar channel. But one of the problems that people have been, voicing in the comments, again, I read every single comment. Your boy is always listening. I'm always trying to give you guys exactly what you want. From a video perspective, some of the people said it's getting harder for, people in other countries or sometimes even in the USA to get their channel monetized. That made me think, okay, well, if it's hard to get your channel monetized, and what that means is YouTube paying you for every view that you get, well, there's a bunch of other incredibly good ways to actually make money using YouTube. Because the thing is, nowadays, attention is wealth. It used to be a few years ago where, you got rich by owning the most stuff, owning the most land, owning the most buildings, right? That's how you became rich. But nowadays, how you get rich is with reach and attention. Think about it yourself, right? What is the most valuable real estate company on earth? What's the most valuable transportation company on earth? Real estate, it's Airbnb, and they don't own any of the houses, right? The most valuable transportation company is Uber, and they don't own any of the vehicles. Nowadays, reach and eyeballs is how you become rich, which is why these videos make so much money, because they get in front of so many different people, right? And so if these videos are getting in front of 31 million people, even if you aren't able to monetize, which is a low chance, right? Most of the time, you are always able to monetize these videos and get paid $31,000, $62,000 for this one video. Even in the small chance that you can't get monetized, I wanna show you guys how you can even double your income, right? Because most likely you're gonna make money from YouTube directly, but you can also make money using the strategy that we are about to go over right now. So what a lot of people don't realize is people are looking at these videos. It's not like they just watch the video in like some kind of like void or black hole. If we look at even one more example here and sort by most popular, we'll see a lot of different videos here. And what we can see is these videos have different topics. Some of them are just totally general. You can see this one is 16 naughty facts, right? 105 million views, right? This video has made over $100,000 just from this one video. We can see, 29 million views, 22 million views, 5, coolest people of all time, 10 most expensive things in the world. These are all such good ideas that you can create videos about as well. And I would watch all of these videos, right? This is literally 5 minutes long, probably made them $19,000 to, even $38,000 for a 5-minute and 55-second video. And so if we actually click into one of these videos themselves, what we can see is, you can see that they have their website right here, right? So 105 million people have seen this description, right? Above the preview right here, you can see that they have a website. They don't even have a pinned comment, right? They could get way more viewership if they actually pinned a comment, but we'll talk about that later on. 105 million views on this video. Even if just 1% of those people clicked, or even 1% of 1%, right? 0.001%. That's still a ridiculous number of people clicking a website, right? So how do you actually monetize this in addition to monetizing it for the actual views you get? Well, the easiest way to do it without creating your own product, without creating your own landing page, without creating any of the actual stuff yourself, is to just pick a proven affiliate product, right? And so what's the best place to actually pick a proven affiliate product that you can just like put a link to with your particular affiliate link and start printing money into your bank account? Well, the largest affiliate platform on earth is ClickBank, right? And if we look at ClickBank, we can see that they actually have an affiliate marketplace, but I like to actually go even one step further. There's actually a site called CB Engine that shows the top most popular ClickBank products, right? And if it's the most popular and has the highest gravity, which we can see right here, then it's a product that you know for a fact is actually working and converting. And it shows you how many of these, how much you can actually get paid for each one of these particular products for each sale that you get of these products. And we're gonna talk about a way a little bit later on how to choose the best one of these products for your particular video, right? Using analytics inside of YouTube. But there's so many different options here, right? Lean belly breakthrough, woodworking, if you have a primarily male audience, the Venus factor, right? Red tea detox. I've seen some of these literally on the top charts for a long time, and they pay $46 per sale, right? Take one of these videos. Let's just take this one, for example, right? And this is their most viewed video. So obviously this would be a really successful case. So this video has 31 million views. So if we actually go 31494,168, so over 31, almost 31.5 million, right? And 1% is a pretty reasonable actual conversion percentage for online offers, especially for proven stuff that a lot of people want and are interested in. And so let's assume that, 1% of 1% of 1%, even like a crazy case. Let's multiply this by 0.0001. Right? So 1% of 1% of 1%, which is like the world's most craziest, lowest conversion percentage ever of the people watching. And we multiply that by the 31.5 million, that's 3,149, right? And if we multiply that by the initial amount that you get per every single sale times 38.44, right? Then that means that this one video could have generated $121,063 just from affiliate commissions, right? And every single time somebody watches this video, they see these links. Every single time somebody watches this video, 105 million people, they see this link. And even if it's 0.0001% of people actually click through and buy, right? You're still making a ridiculous amount of money in affiliate commissions. But if you don't want to choose, that particular product like Flat Belly Fix, maybe you think that your demographics after looking at analytics inside of YouTube is more actually attuned to some other type of demographic. What you can do is you can actually go to popularity over here on CB Engine as well. And you can see there's a lot of different things here. There's Spanish offers if you have Spanish. There's even a video game tester, which is perfect for YouTube, right? I can almost guarantee that the demographic that watches 10 convicts who freaked out after given a life sentence or 16 naughty facts, I guarantee that that same demographic would be interested in a video game testing job, right? And they even have an affiliate program for this particular game, right? The payout is obviously significantly lower because it's probably so much easier for people to actually sign up to actually do this. But my point is, you can choose an affiliate product that is as in sync with your target market, with your demographic, and you don't even have to guess about that. Once you have views, everything changes. That's why everybody wants to be an influencer. Everybody wants to build a following because it just exponentiates your actual income potential when you have, 1,000 people, 10,000 people, 100,000, 500,000 people following you, and you can get millions of views like these videos actually get. All you have to do is just find a ClickBank product that fits your audience and then list it in your actual description above the preview. And even if 0.0001% of people actually click on your link, you can still make over $120,000 leveraging this strategy. But if you don't want to use a ClickBank, right, you can use Amazon. Another example is using Amazon's affiliate program right here. You can just do what PewDiePie does, who is literally the biggest YouTuber in the world. And I'm sure he doesn't use Amazon Associates, but he sells a gaming chair in his description. And I guarantee you that he makes millions of dollars per year with that affiliate relationship. And so you can just grab any product on Amazon and you can get paid, between 5 to 10% for every single one of your sales. And my recommendation would be choose something that fits your audience and something that is a little bit more high ticket so that you're making more dollars per sale using the Amazon affiliate program. But the thing is, guys, once you have the attention, it becomes so much easier to make money. And there's no better way that I've found to make money than by leveraging these strategies that have already been proven to work on YouTube. Top 5, top 10, right? Looking at the channels like Most Amazing Top 10, their most popular videos, and then making videos similar to those, right? Being creative, creating videos that are similar to these without having to be on camera yourself. You can make $100, you can make $1,000, you can make $100,000 like we showed you, leveraging this strategy just by using, affiliate products in addition to the money you're making by monetizing your actual channel, getting paid from YouTube. And so to make even more money actually using this strategy, once you launch a video, and we're just gonna look at a video that I recently launched. Once you launch a video, you can actually come into analytics right here and go to build an audience, and you can see the exact gender and demographics of that specific video. So if you start making videos and one of them takes off and you start to get 10,000 views, then 100,000, or if you have one really go viral and you get 1 million views or even 10 million views, you can come in, you can see what the gender and what the age is of that particular video viewership, and you can pick a product on ClickBank, or you can pick a product on Amazon Associates, on Amazon's affiliate site that is as perfect as possible for the actual gender and age demographic of that video, and then you can link your affiliate link in the description of that video, right? And if we look one more time at ClickBank, we can see that there's perfect stuff for both men and women. If we look at the top gravity score, which is how ClickBank ranks these, Flat Belly Fix, right? So if you have one that has, primarily women, for example, or keto resources, if you have a video that has primarily men, over the age of 40 or something like that, then maybe the woodworking offer might be perfect. Or you can see, Cinderella Solution, the Venus Factor, right? Use text to make men love you. All these different types of products, you want to think about it to yourself. What type of viewership, what type of audience do I have in this particular video? And then you want to choose the offer that has been proven to work, that sells hundreds or thousands of products every single week. They already have the website set up. up. They already have everything set up. All you have to do is generate one link, put it in the description that's as perfectly fitting the demographic of your video as possible, which you actually look at inside of YouTube right here. And then you can sit back and relax, get paid thousands, if not tens of thousands, if not even hundreds of thousands, like we showed you with some videos from YouTube themselves, and then get paid, significant amounts of money, like we talked about on the old handy dandy calculator right here, from affiliate relationships as well. All big YouTubers get paid from YouTube themselves, but also get paid through affiliate relationships, selling their own products, right? And one of the best ways to do that is by the viewership that you actually get in the top link right here inside of these videos that go viral and get 100 million views. And so if you're thinking to yourself, yes, Kevin, this all sounds great, but where do we actually find the footage? Well, the best way to find the footage is, for example, let's say that we type in top 5 on YouTube right here. What we can do is we can go to filter and we can go to Creative Commons, right? Any video that has Creative Commons, we can see right here, 4.4 million views. This video is completely free to use, right? You can take anything you want from it. You can re-chop it, you can re-highlight it, you can re-edit it, you can re-upload it directly. The top 5 best Joker deaths, 5.6 million views, which is crazy, right? 1.3 million views a year ago, 544,000 views. All of these different 1.1 million, 1.9 million 3 months ago. 5 best deaths of Spider-Man, right? This is another video I should probably make right here. This person obviously knows what's going on. This video probably made, anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 just from this one video right here, that he made 3 months ago, which is really, really good money. This person's obviously making videos, but that's, I digress. You can type in top 5, you can type in top 10, you can type in scariest, craziest, all these different types of things onto actual YouTube to figure out what's working and what's not. And then all you have to do is filter by Creative Commons, and then you're free to use any of that video that you find. You can also find video on Google, on Vimeo, right? All across the web, all of these different videos. And if you edit it and you make it your own, right? And you create your own top 5, top 10, or you create your own, top trending for the richest people, or the top trending for, the richest celebrities, or the most followed people on Instagram. There's so many different ideas you could do. The thing is, just don't get overwhelmed, and you have to start, right? Don't be like 99% of people that never take any action. Be the 1% that actually takes action, and shameless plug right here, take action, and make sure you tap that little subscribe button right here. Turn on notification bells. Why? Because we're gonna feature you on the channel, like our daily comment winner right here, Mr. Flow23, who says, is he doing sign language as he talks? Yes, I am doing sign language as I talk, and I love you guys. And so if you enjoyed this video on how to make $100 per day on YouTube, then you'll definitely enjoy this video right here, where we teach you how to make $1,000 a day with zero money to start. Hard to believe? I'll prove it to you. See you there. And so literally all you have to do is take this product that we already know is viral. See, 898% increase, right? 6,276 orders. And it's an interesting looking product. All you have to do is take it